How to add text to your CapCut videos. To add text to your CapCut videos is very simple. When you are editing a video, it is going to look like this. This is going to be your screen of your video and what it is going to look like. To edit it, when you don't have anything clicked on, you are going to see on the bottom, on the third symbol in the large T, it says text. You are going to click on that. Then you can see on that second factor in, the A with the plus, that is add text. You're going to then click on that. You can then type the text you want, and from there you can click on different fonts, different styles, and even adjust effects of what you would like your text to look like. When you are all done, you can click the check mark. That way your text is going to be on the video. You can move your text up and down by just clicking and holding on it. And you can click on the bar of the text in order to adjust it to fit however long you would like it to be in your video for.